Good morning, paddlers. I'm back at Selby Canal. I haven't been on here for a few months and it's starting to weed over. I'll flip the camera around and show you. It's about 5:45 in the morning, and the last time I came here there wasn't anywhere near as much weed on this canal as there is now. It's still lovely though. There's a lot more weed today, but look at it, it's like glass. And I'm here with Pebbles today. We're going to have a little paddle and cook some breakfast. Look at the reflections on that water. Isn't it stunning? Right, let's get set up. Right now, shall I put this on hyperlapse first and then record the paddle back, or record the paddle down and hyperlapse back?
Decision.
So we've parked at West Haddlesea. I'm going to cook some breakfast here. Hello Pebbles. Pebbles, barn owl, barn owl. Yeah, it's time to cook breakfast. And I think Pebbles is hungry. She's not the only one. Going in. Right, so we've had breakfast. We're going to have a little explore down there and then head back. You need a horn when you go through here.
Beep.
How did I know you were going to do that? Right, I think let's pull out and see which way the current takes us.
I don't know.
That's why you don't paddle. No, seriously, just pull out and see which way the current starts to take you. So there's not much of a current on it, but it's going that way. So we'll paddle up that way, under the bridge.
Which way? This way.
Yeah, I'm just going to inflate my thingy a little bit, just because we're on a river. Well, this is a very calm river, isn't it?
I'm just looking at the reflection of the clouds
Mm.
on the water. Very scenic and the different colour, you know, the colours of the banks.
Yeah.
Green and yellow.
What the hell is that?
I've been trying to practice mindfulness.
All right.
Yeah. And I think it's working. Oh, look! Cow!
Hell, that's good, isn't it? Right
Look
across,
at that.
right across the path. That was good. Now, mindfulness is a good practice.
No, this is when you start noticing things, and it does make you feel better.
Well, I didn't expect to be doing this today. And did you know, moorhen? Definitely not as clear as the canal, eh? Ooh, bit of breeze. Are you wondering what that white thing is on the other side?
No,
Oh. Are you wondering what that white thing is on the other side now because I mentioned it?
no.
If that, do you know what? If that's a free boy, I'm gonna have that. On the way, I'm getting that on the way back. Unless it's a floating head, and then I'm not. Actually, if it's a floating head, I want it even more. But it might even just be a balloon.
Is it not a rugby ball?
Is it not a what?
A rugby ball?
Oh, it could be a rugby ball. But a rugby ball's usually white. Oh, I don't know. I'm intrigued now.
No, it got me thinking.
I'm having that on the way back. Claiming it. First dibs. See, that's got a nice little slipway, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I want to take a couple of pictures on my phone for that group. Oh, can I get my phone out? I can get my. Oh no, I can't. I'll take stills off the videos. Blackbird sounds lively, doesn't it?
Hey?
Blackbird. That one. Just watch out for any underwater stuff close to that tree. How far up here do you want to go?
Not too far, because I was just thinking we've got to get back.
We have got to get back, yeah. Up to the next bend and then turn back.
Yeah?
Okay. Because I've got to pick that boy up. I've never seen one.
You've never seen a kingfisher? I have on the Ouse.
Have you?
Yeah, but it was, I was with my lad here. It was one of his friends as a boat.
Right.
And we were just sat on the boat. It was an evening time, and we just saw this blue dart. It was it was beautiful. That's the only time I've seen one.
I'm guessing the reason they're blue is because to anything underwater it just looks like the sky.
It was pretty spectacular, you know. You just saw it, just dart fast. It was great. I wonder why there's not more of them.
That's not a standard duck. That looks like a ruddy duck. This done half open up here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
See how wide it is? Right, we're at that bend. Shall we?
Head back.
Yeah, let's do it. This is just lovely.
It is. It's absolutely beautiful.
It's a football. Right, left turn, Clyde.
So I'm now going to head through and say this big query you're on about parking.
Right, which side are you going?
The one that's opposite to the side they're going on.
Well, that was a good one. 7 hours later, we're back. Pebbles has got hers deflated there. I'm just kind of drying mine out here a little bit, getting some of the water out of it. Had a good go. Didn't capture all the footage in hyperlapse. The battery ran out, I think it was somewhere after the River Yure, but it was good to get onto the River Yure because I've never done that before. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, why not subscribe? It doesn't cost you anything, it just means you get a notification when you open up YouTube just to say I've uploaded another video. So I hope you're well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheerio!